Alright, today I'll show you how to set up your first local model for use on an N8N server and such. There are many open source models available which we'll look at now. We'll get them through LM Studio, okay? This program also lets us link these models to an API. What's an API? An API connects apps to each other. That's a quick way to explain it. So we'll go to LM Studio and click on, well, my models shows our models, and here we'd click discover. As I said, there are all kinds of models. Here's our computer's hardware specs if needed. Let's select DeepSeek underscore. As you see, there are many DeepSeek options, okay? Including ones by others. I recommend using the official method. Just click get on this green button, okay? We'll wait for the model to load. As you can see, I had another model here. Oh no, it's just coming from the program itself, NVIDIA CUDA, which helps run these models better. Let's wait for it to finish saving. Alright, we have the model here in the My Model section. If we want to chat with this model, we just select it and let's say hello and see what it replies. Keep in mind this runs locally, so it might be slow or cause issues on Modest setup. It'd be great if CUDA finished, because otherwise it won't work. See here, it shows 2 GB of RAM, okay? And, well, I've written hello, and I'll ask, tell me the days of the week. It'll think like normal DeepSeek, okay? As you see, it thinks fast and lists Monday, Tuesday, so there you have it. It's now functional.